Check out this model page on Instagram. It has an amazing collection of photos, all featuring the same model. But here's the surprising part. These photos are AI generated. Yes, you heard that right. Anyone can create a model page like this and even make money from it. Want to try? I'll show you how, for free. Step 1. Find any model image on Google and download it. Step 2. Open ChatGPT, click on the plus icon, and upload the image you downloaded. Then type, "I need a detailed, unique, implicit text prompt to recreate this image." I need the detailed text prompt, not the image. Make it very unique. Let ChatGPT generate the prompt. While the prompt is being generated, search Affogato AI on Google and go to the website. Create an account. Step 4. Go to the Canvases menu. You can either upload your own character image or select any existing one. Some of my previously generated images are also available there. Choose Flux and pick the size you need. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the generated text prompt, and paste it into Affogato AI. Click Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll see the result. You can use this method to create a model page, a clothing collection page, or any creative project you want. So what do you think? Leave a comment and let me know. Check out our YouTube channel for more AI-related methods, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next update. See you in the next video.